Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. Today I am going to share with you guys how I put together a really quick and easy winter wreath. I'm having a baby shower this weekend and I need to do something really quick that does not look like Christmas and does not look too much like spring. So I have a few things that I have gathered from around my house. And I'm going to try and pull it together and hopefully it will come out great. I have some ribbon here that I'm going to make a bow. I have some flock branches from Christmas, but I've used, well actually they're from the fall. And but I've used them at Christmas, so I think I'm going to try them again with this wreath. I have some glittered pine cones. I really didn't want to do anything glitter, but this is just a little bit of glitter, so I think it will be okay. And then I have a little flower that was white that I spray painted silver, and so that may go okay. We'll see how that works out. And then I just have some other lightly glittered branches with tiny pine cones. And I thought that would be good and give a little dimension to the wreath. And then I have some lamb's ear. Now I know this may be spring or summer, and I have seen it glittered in the winter. So I thought I may get away with using this even though it's light in color. And what I think I may do is add some evergreen sprigs from outside. And then I have some white berries that I got years ago from the Dollar Tree. I have a welcome sign. And then I have, I'm not sure what this is. It's some type of wheat, but it's made out of paper. And when I originally bought it, it was orange. You might see a little orange bleeding through there. And I just spray painted it white, since most of my decor now is neutral. And then I'm going to use this grapevine wreath. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I have everything on that I wanted to put on. I got the bow in place and I got the welcome sign on. And so next I have a few berries that I'm just going to add in some of the little gaps. Okay guys, so I think that looks pretty good. And like I said, I will make my final adjustments outside once I can see it in the true daylight. And then I will let you guys see the final product. But for right now, I gotta go. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys that I'm doing the spiritual fast this year. And so it smells like my husband is upstairs cooking steak. And I gotta go because I'm down here eating carrots. So I will see you guys in a little bit when I show you the outside. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.